We believe, and there is research that substantiates this and confirms this, that every prophet in the past who would come, he would give news of the next prophet. Prophet Abraham was very clear that after him there would be prophets, and he would actually sometimes mention them by name. Moses, peace be upon him, he gave news to the Jewish nation that there will be a prophet. We believe that Jesus, peace be upon him, the Quran quotes Prophet Jesus, he will say that after me there shall come a man whose name is Ahmed. Ahmed is one of the names of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And the meaning of it means the one who is praised exceedingly. There is a verse in the Bible in which Jesus, peace be upon him, speaks about someone who will come after him. Now the translations of the Bible, the current English translations, they've translated it as a comforter. Someone who will come as a comforter. But when we look at the original word, whether it was in Greek or Aramaic, the original word is Pargalita or Parakletos. What is the meaning of this word? When you examine old dictionaries, from Greek dictionaries for example, or Latin or Aramaic, you see that the word Parakletos or Pargalita, yes, one of the meanings could be comforter, but a more correct meaning as defined by the dictionaries has to do something with praise. One who is praised. One who is praised is the meaning, the translation of Ahmed. The same word that the Quran uses when it says Jesus foretold about the Prophet Muhammad. So we believe that Prophet Jesus, he did foretell his people about someone who would come later in time, and he would be the seal of prophets. We believe nowhere in the authentic Bible, in any historical correct account, did Jesus say, I am the final messenger, I am the final link between you and God, and no prophet is coming after me. He never made that statement. Yes, this understanding may have been perpetuated by people who came later, such as Paul, St. Paul, who by the way never met Jesus, peace be upon him. He says, I had a vision of him on a way as he was traveling, but he never lived with Jesus, he never witnessed him speak. So some of those who came later made this claim that this is the final religion and there's nothing coming after that. However, there is no documented evidence that Jesus said, there is no prophet after me. There is no message after me. There is no religion after me. So when we look at previous prophets, we have evidence that suggests they foretold about a new graduation period, a new religion that would complete their religion. Whereas when we come to the last messenger, who's the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him and his family, and the Holy Quran, we say that the Prophet and the Quran is very clear that this is the final message. There is no prophet after him. He is the seal of prophets, the final of prophets. So the Prophet made that clear, and the Quran makes it clear that there is no prophet after him.